Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Netflix account on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. This method will require your TV and another device where you have your email logged in. So the email of choice should be logged in on another device. It could be your smartphone or your laptop. So now that that's out of the way, let's get into the video. If you do not have the Netflix app, scroll through the channel and you see multiple videos with multiple methods showing you exactly how to download and install applications to your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. So when you have Netflix app downloaded, just scroll to it and click to get in. You're going to be greeted with the welcome page, and from here click on get started. Now you are creating a Netflix account from scratch. So what you're going to be able to do is to put in an email address that is not attached to any Netflix account at the moment. So this email address should be a new address, or it should be an address you've never used on Netflix before. So put in this address in the dialog box, and when you have this email address, click on get started. Before you do that, if you do not want any special offers, if you do not want any spam mail or constant emails from Netflix promoting their offers, you could click this checkbox and hit the get started button to get in. When you're in, Netflix is going to ask for this email again, so you have to enter your information to sign in. If you are entering this email for the first time, you're going to be set to be creating an account, so it's going to be a sign up, not a sign in. But if this account already has an email, you're going to actually log in. So if you click on the continue button, you're going to have an email sent to you on that email address. That email is going to carry a code and a link. Click on the link and the link will last for 15 minutes only. Within that 15-minute period of time, as you've clicked on the link, you will see a setup process comprised of 3 steps. Step 1, you're going to be creating a password. Put in a password you can remember. There's an alternative there to have a link accessible, a unique accessible link where you'll be able to click on it and get directly into Netflix without a password. Preferably use the password, but if the link works for you, set up a link. But at this first step, you're either taking the link or the password. So click on password method and create the password of choice. Make sure you remember your password, and when you've put it in, click continue. After that, you're going to go to step 2. In step 2, you'll be required to put in your details concerning your plan. Make the plan of choice. You could go for the mobile 1080p, which is the basic, or you could go to the extreme plan. Choose a plan that fits your budget and do also look at the devices that you're going to be able to be accessing Netflix from, ranging up from 4 devices to more devices. So when you have your plan chosen, you move to step 3. Now you're going to put in your card details, bank details, and a method of payment of choice. Once you're putting a method of payment, click on sign out and you have completed the creation process. In the next video, I'll show you how to log into a Netflix account which is already created. So for more content like that, and to make sure you do not miss that video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.